Hey friends, welcome back to class. Today we're going to be working on the tack 180. In order to do the tack 180, you'll need the ball of your foot and a sturdy wall. All we're going to do is we'll approach the wall the same way we did our tic-tac. We're going to step in, drop our hip, reach our foot up, knee to hip height, and drive our arms tall. Start with that, and down. The next action we'll need to remember is opening the gate from the warm-up. We bring our knee up, out, and down. Up, out, and down. These are the two actions that we'll need to know to complete the activity. Your first is the tic-tac. Opposite foot is going to come up and out and around, just like our open the gate. And down. One more time, but faster. And down. And the other way. And down. One more time. And down. Two ways that we turn: our hips or our shoulders. I'm doing both of these. My foot hits, I lift my arms up, my knee opens, and I move my arms the same way as the knee, looking down for the landing. One more time. And down. Practice, practice, practice.